Have you ever thought about the amazing animals that lived during the age of dinosaurs? The Mesozoic era had some famous giants like the Tyrannosaurs, titanosaurs, and Spinosaurus. But there was another group of dinosaurs that was just as incredible. The Dromaeosaurs, also known as Raptors. These feathered dinosaurs lived from the Middle Jurassic to the end of the Cretaceous period. Even though they were smaller than many other dinosaurs, raptors became famous predators because of their sleek, deadly bodies and unique hunting tools. Among these raptors, one stands out as the most popular and feared, the Velociraptor. Thanks to the movie Jurassic Park, many people think Velociraptors and T-Rexes live together in North America. But that's not true. Velociraptors lived millions of years before T-Rex and in a completely different place. The first Velociraptor fossils were found in Mongolia in 1923. These fossils included a crushed but complete skull and a special toe claw found in the Jadakta Formation of the Gobi Desert. At first, scientists thought these fossils were from a different dinosaur family called Megalosaur because they were incomplete. The Velociraptor's full name is Velociraptor mongoliensis, which means Mongolia's swift plunderer. This name fits well because Velociraptors were fast and had a carnivorous diet. Almost 66 million years later, the Velociraptor became world famous when Michael Crichton, the author of Jurassic Park, decided to use its name instead of Deinonychus for his raptors. He thought Velociraptor sounded more dramatic. This choice made Velociraptors one of the most well-known dinosaurs ever. However, this fame led to some misunderstandings, especially about their size. In Jurassic Park, Velociraptors were shown as 6 feet tall and 9 feet long. In real life, they were much smaller. Even though they were small, Velociraptors were incredibly fast and agile. Their bones were light but strong, with long shin bones that helped them take long strides. Scientists think Velociraptors could run in short bursts, reaching speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, faster than professional cyclists. Their agility was further enhanced by a stiff, elongated tail that helped them keep their balance at high speeds or during fights. Velociraptors were equipped with several deadly weapons, making them one of the most fearsome predators of their time. Imagine encountering a creature with such a variety of ways to take down its prey. Their first weapon was their mouth, equipped with short, sharp, recurved teeth. These teeth were heavily serrated, perfect for tearing flesh. It's like having a mouth full of steak knives, ready to rip into their next meal. However, despite this terrifying dental setup, their bite force was only around 304 newtons. To put that into perspective, it's similar to the bite force of a Belgian Shepherd dog. While this is certainly impressive, it wasn't enough to be their main killing mechanism for larger prey. Instead, the Velociraptor's most iconic weapon was their sickle-shaped toe claw. Picture this. Each foot had 4 digits, but it was the second digit that was the star of the show. This digit sported a massive, retractable claw measuring about 2.6 inches, roughly 10% of their body height. That's like having a razor-sharp weapon on your foot, always ready for action. This claw was curved, sharpened, and kept off the ground to preserve its integrity. This meant it was always in top condition for hunting. For a long time, it was believed that Velociraptors used these claws to slash and disembowel their prey. This idea was popularized by the movie Jurassic Park, where we saw these dinosaurs slashing their way through the jungle. However, a unique fossil find in the Gobi Desert challenged this theory. Paleontologists discovered a Velociraptor locked in combat with a Protoceratops. Rather than slashing, the Velociraptor was using its claw to stab and penetrate the Protoceratops' neck, aiming for vital areas like the jugular vein or carotid artery. Now, let's imagine the Velociraptor in action. These dinosaurs were not just about brute force. They had a strategic approach to hunting. Their claws were finely tuned instruments of death. When they went after their prey, they targeted vital areas with precision. This method ensured that their attacks were quick and effective, reducing the chances of a prolonged struggle. Velociraptors were also quite agile, adding another layer to their fearsome nature. Their long legs and lightweight build allowed them to move quickly, almost like the sprinters of the dinosaur world. This speed, combined with their sharp claws and teeth, made them formidable hunters. They could chase down their prey, corner them, and deliver the fatal blow with deadly accuracy. Their intelligence was another weapon in their arsenal. Velociraptors are believed to have been pack hunters, working together to take down larger prey. This cooperative hunting strategy meant they could plan and execute complex attacks, increasing their chances of a successful hunt. Imagine a group of these cunning creatures coordinating an ambush, using their environment to their advantage. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? In addition to their physical and strategic prowess, Velociraptors had excellent sensory abilities. Their keen eyesight and sense of smell helped them track prey over long distances. Once they had locked onto a target, it was only a matter of time before they closed in for the kill. Their acute senses made them highly effective predators, always aware of their surroundings and ready to strike at the opportune moment. Despite their relatively small size compared to other predators of their time, Velociraptors were incredibly efficient killers. Their combination of speed, intelligence, and lethal weapons made them one of the top predators in their ecosystem. Let's take a closer look at their social behavior. Living and hunting in packs would have required a certain level of communication and social interaction. It's fascinating to think about how these dinosaurs might have coordinated their movements and shared information. This social structure not only made them more effective hunters, but also provided protection and support within the group. They were a well-organized and highly skilled team, each member playing a crucial role in the hunt. When it comes to their hunting technique, it's clear that Velociraptors were more sophisticated than we might have initially thought. The discovery of the fossilized Velociraptor and Protoceratops locked in combat gives us a glimpse into their complex behavior. They didn't just rely on brute force. They used precision and strategy to take down their prey. This level of sophistication sets them apart from other predators of their time. Their role in the ecosystem was crucial. As apex predators, Velociraptors helped to maintain the balance of their environment. By preying on weaker or slower animals, they ensured that only the strongest survived, contributing to the overall health of their ecosystem. This natural selection process helped to shape the evolution of other species, driving them to adapt and evolve in response to the threat of predation. The Velociraptor's legacy lives on in popular culture, thanks in part to movies like Jurassic Park. While the film took some liberties with their portrayal, it brought these fascinating creatures into the spotlight and sparked a widespread interest in dinosaurs. Today, the Velociraptor remains one of the most well-known and intriguing dinosaurs, capturing our imagination with its deadly efficiency and complex behavior. Additionally, Velociraptors had large, flexible hand claws that they used to grasp and slash at prey. These claws were similar in structure to modern birds' wings, allowing them to anchor themselves to their victims while delivering fatal blows with their toe claws. This combination of speed, agility, and powerful weapons made Velociraptors highly efficient hunters. Velociraptors also had excellent hearing, allowing them to track prey by sound alone. Studies on their endocranium found they could hear frequencies between 2,368 and 3,965 Hz. Some paleontologists believe they might have been nocturnal hunters, using their keen hearing and the cover of darkness to catch prey by surprise. However, unlike their portrayal in Jurassic Park, Velociraptors likely did not hunt in packs. No fossil evidence supports the idea of them being social creatures. Furthermore, Velociraptors were feathered. Fossil finds of related dromaeosaurs with preserved feathers and the presence of quill knobs on Velociraptor arm bones suggest they had feathers covering their bodies, with longer feathers on their arms and tails. Despite their efficient build and adaptability, Velociraptors did not survive the changing environment of the late Cretaceous. The Gobi Desert during this time was much warmer and more humid than today, with semi-arid landscapes dotted with sand dunes and sparse streams. It was home to a diverse array of dinosaurs and other reptiles, as well as mammals like Asiatherium and Deltatheridium. But Velociraptors eventually vanished, likely due to environmental changes before the asteroid impact that ended the non-avian dinosaurs. Have you ever wondered if Velociraptors were truly as fearsome as portrayed in Jurassic Park? If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more.